All right, well, we're back again.
Hi, guys.
With some awesome new videos. However, they are not going to necessarily be related to math this time. We're flipping science.
What?
It's going to be awesome. So, you're going to have a series of videos for science. They are going to be ecosystems.
What's an ecosystem?
Oh, that's a great question. How about we look? Mrs. Pickett totally predicted the first question, which is, what is an ecosystem? I wonder. Can we make an inference from this picture what an ecosystem really is?
Maybe it's a place where people live, animals live.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's a place.
Environment?
It's kind of, I like that word, an environment where lots of different animals live, because we have everything from this big old deer over here all the way down to this tiny little water bug that's running around on the pond.
What about this guy?
Ooh, there's fish. There's a bunch of school fish down over here, too. Crazy. So there's lots of different organisms and plants and animals that all work together in an ecosystem to help each other survive. Well, the next thing is, what is an organism? What are we counting as an organism?
Well, if I was looking at these pictures, I would infer an organism that is anything that's living.
It is. It's anything that's living. That can be plants, that can be animals, that can even be bacteria.
And I bet that all those things have to be in an ecosystem for that ecosystem to really do what it needs to do.
It's true.
Yeah.
Yep. Every organism in an ecosystem is important, and it's there for a reason.
So a really great thing about ecosystems is that everything kind of works together. Like we said a second ago, every part of the ecosystem kind of has to do something in the job. So the mushroom and the bird and the whale all have some part in making that ecosystem do its thing. And so what you guys are going to see here is a food web. And a food web is kind of how all the different things work together to make sure everything can survive.
Oh, so I'm seeing here that it looks like there's arrows that point to other places, and everything looks like it's originating from this flower down here. Am I correct in that?
Yep, so the flower is giving energy to the bugs and the beetles and the worms, and then the bug gives energy to the ladybug, who gives energy to the bird, who gives energy to the owl. So it kind of all works together.
Okay.
Like a web, like a spider web.
Interesting. And as we looked at the food web, all of that energy kind of initiated from the plant. Well, where does the plant get that energy? Because they don't actually just magically have energy, right? Where does that energy come from?
Well, maybe the sun.
Oh, I'm thinking you're right. Sun. I love this picture. It's all bright and sunny. Beautiful. So the sun is the ultimate keeper of energy, and that transfers it into a plant, who then uses the sunlight through the process of photosynthesis to create energy that then sustains the entire ecosystem, right?
Right, so the sun is most important. Is that what I'm hearing?
It sounds like it, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty important.
Yeah, okay.
Interesting.
So in the very beginning, I think it was almost like a forest or like a lake or something we saw in that very first picture, and we said that was an ecosystem, but they're all different kinds of ecosystems that we're going to be learning about in class coming up, which is one, it would be the forest.
There's also ecosystems in like the rainforest.
What about the ocean?
Oh yeah, there's several in the ocean, from tide pools to deep ocean. What about the desert?
Plains, maybe?
Oh yeah.
So maybe you guys can think, or even if you get a minute, maybe do a little bit of research to see if you can come up with any other ecosystems on your own.
That's a great idea. Very cool.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're really looking forward to rocking out this PBL in class tomorrow.
Excited!